At the Brussels Motor Show, BYD made a major splash in Europe with the unveiling of the Atto 2, marking the company's continued push into the European electric vehicle market. This compact SUV is set to become BYD's most affordable electric offering in the region, with a starting price expected to be under $36,600 in the UK, making electric driving more accessible to a wider audience. The Atto 2 is smaller than the Atto 3, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort or space. With a length of 4,310 mm and a width of 1,130 mm, it offers a generous 2,620 mm wheelbase that ensures ample cabin space despite its compact dimensions. The design boasts short front and rear overhangs, giving the Atto 2 a rugged yet maneuverable stance. This makes it ideal for both city driving and light off-roading, providing flexibility for a variety of driving conditions. One of the standout features of the Atto 2 is its groundbreaking blade battery. This lithium iron phosphate battery is integrated into the vehicle's E-Platform 3.0 chassis using a cell-to-body construction method, a first for a compact electric SUV. BYD's blade battery eliminates traditional modular packs, offering higher energy density and greater space efficiency by placing the battery cells directly in the vehicle's floor. This innovative approach optimizes space while also enhancing overall energy efficiency. The Atto 2 comes with two battery options. The standard model features a 45.1 kWh battery pack, powering the 130 kWh front-wheel drive vehicle. With this configuration, the Atto 2 delivers an impressive range of 312 km on the European WLTP standard. However, thanks to regenerative braking during city driving, the range can stretch to up to 463 km, a noteworthy feat for a vehicle in this price range. BYD is also expected to introduce a larger battery variant soon, with a capacity of around 60 kWh, offering a range of over 400 km. Inside, the Atto 2 continues to impress with its modern tech features. The 12.8-inch center display rotates between portrait and landscape orientations for optimal usability. An 8.8-inch instrument panel and strategically placed physical buttons make for an intuitive interface. A crystal gear selector and unique grab handles add a touch of sophistication and personality to the cabin, making the Atto 2 stand out in the crowded compact SUV market. In conclusion, the BYD Atto 2 is a game-changer for the European electric vehicle market. With its affordable pricing, cutting-edge blade battery technology, and stylish design, it offers a compelling option for anyone looking for a practical and innovative electric SUV. As the EV market continues to evolve, the Atto 2 is poised to become a strong contender for those seeking an accessible, high-tech electric vehicle.